Well, good afternoon. I know it's been a long time since you heard from me, but good news. The house is finally done. I started back in, I think, June. And what is it now? September? December. But it's finally complete. And this week, I believe it'll be going on the market for sale. But I thought I'd let you see it before we put it on the market and see what the final product looks like. As you can tell by the front there, we did had it repainted. Had some caulking. You can see we added gutters to it. So it looks a lot better. The new windows are in. You can see we added a sidewalk. Now I'll tell you what, it's about 37 feet long. We had to tear the other one out. And Gabby, our friend, and Ty, my son-in-law, they used a little small jackhammer and a sledgehammer, and they busted that out. And I had a man come over and pour a new slab, so that looks a lot better. We walk up here, did a little minimal landscaping, not a whole lot. Got the number up there, and there's our red door. Got to have a red door, right? So let me back up here. Painted the light there, kind of refurbished the light. Put a little landscaping down front here. Looks pretty good. Got rid of the wall. Remember the wall. I had the painters, they replaced the siding along this wall, and I guess you'll probably remember how bad that looked. That's one job I had to let somebody else do. My wife didn't want me up on a ladder. Straight, I'm gonna fall off, which I probably would. You see they did a good job on that siding. We come around to the back of the house here. I don't know if not much has changed except for they put another coat of paint on, and you see the gutters we put in. Of course, there's the old deck we used that we put in. Al Holtz helped me with this one, old Big Al. There we go. They painted, caulked, fixed holes. You know how it looked like before? That's all done. Move around here to the back over where we started here on this side. So anyway, garage door has been painted, looks better. They replaced some of the wood around it because it had gotten somewhat wood rot down there at the bottom, so they replaced that. So that looks good. Now we'll go around and go in, see what it looks like on the inside. Oh, yes, I don't know. The last time I had a video, which was a long time ago, and sorry about that, but this place about wore me out. You can see we got a new driveway in. Looking out on the street there. So that makes a difference. Remember, it was just grass and broken up concrete. So let's go on in. Okay, I'm going in the door. And here we are. Walk in. There's a little hall tree I made. I made that down there out of two legs I had sitting around, and this right here used to be a side rail of a bed. I had that, so I used that and made this little hall tree, so you can come in here, you throw your keys on there, maybe hang up a hat or an umbrella or whatever. Walk on in here. Lights up. You've probably seen this before. Looking out past the window. We turn around, and I got the barn doors up. So if you want to make this an office, you want to close the barn doors up, you can make another bedroom out of it. Whatever you want to do with it works. Y'all seen this before, I'm sure, on one of my later videos. This area here has been kind of done for a while. We'll go around in here to the kitchen. We kept the cabinets, kept the countertops. We put in this backsplash. We got a dishwasher in. Hadn't pulled the film off of it yet. New double oven. Microwave. One thing I did, which I think hopefully people appreciate, will like, I put automatic lights in. You see them come up when you open your doors. Let's find one over here. Let's try this one. Open your door, lights come on. You can see what you got. I think I put them in here too. Let's see here if they'll come up. Yeah, they come up. Come on, I mean. There they go. Looking good. Hopefully that's kind of a touch, you know, a little touch that shows that I was trying to do something a little extra. This is our ceiling. Now, ceiling wasn't too good a shape, so we took the cedar, stained it, and added another light. And so now there's kind of a cedar shake type, or cedar, just a cedar ceiling. Goes with our theme of modern rustic. We got the kind of the modern tile there, and then we've got the cedar ceiling that kind of ties into it. You might like it, you may not like it, but that's what we decided to do. Let's go out in the garage. That looks a lot different. I came in here and scrubbed this floor and painted it. And then with our leftover siding, I came around and put a siding about 2 feet or so up from the bottom. As kind of a, you know, you open a car door, you don't hit the sheetrock. And got the water heater back installed. And then we put up a garage door opener. We didn't have a garage door opener, so we got that done. So I think the garage looks about 50,000 times better than it did, but it is just still a garage. So let's go back in. We go down the hallway, the old hallway, the runway lights hallway, that nice and bright. Got me a new, this is where the air conditioner inside AC is. You see I found a door in an estate sale, and I cut it down and painted it and installed it, solid door. I think that cost me about $10, $12 at the estate sale, but that worked out just great. Here's our main entry closet. It's good and nice size. Put a light in it. I got a light in it here, one of those lights that is covered, you know, the code here in Texas. The code is now that any light in a closet has to be covered. It can't be just a light bulb. Here we are in our first bedroom. You've seen this. This one's been done quite a while, but we got it all done. Looks good. Got my smoke alarms in, one in each bedroom, one in the hallway, up to code. Now we come down the hallway and we have our first bathroom. There it is. Got the tub in, toilet. We reused the countertop and the counter, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, I put lights in there so you can open that up and then have lights. You know, sometimes you can't see what's in the back. And then I took this tile here and I ran it up over here. That part of the sheetrock just wasn't what I hoped. And so we put that up there. Hopefully that doesn't look too strange, but we put it up there, kind of a different thing. Not cookie cutter. Here we are back in the second bedroom. Got our barn door there. This bedroom's been done quite a while too. Now we move into the master. Here's the master. Here's basically you've seen this before, and there's a barn door. What you probably haven't seen is the new shower. And I kind of went a little out of the box here. I put kind of an interesting style on the back there. Got my niche right there, ran it all the way over around the top with the penny tiles on the floor. I hope that didn't make you too dizzy watching this, but once again we use the same countertop and everything there. Went to IKEA or whatever and picked up a couple things here to give it that modern look. So there it is. Now, this is maybe the most controversial part of it. The old closet with the washer dryer in it. There's the old washer dryer. Come in. I'll put that shelving unit in there. There's the washer dryer. Right inside the closet, the master closet. And then on this back wall is the places here to hang your clothes. You could probably on this side here put you another one right here. You probably have enough room, but I would let the people that own it figure out if they want to do that. But this may be the most controversial part, having it inside a closet. Some people like the idea, some don't. So we'll have to see how it plays out. But anyway, there it is. It's been a labor of love, I guess. I'm glad it's over. I'm glad I don't have to get up in the morning and say to myself, oh my goodness, I got to go over and get that done today. Because it's done. It is done. We might do a couple of little things to it you know, a little clean up and wipe little windows down or whatever. But technically we're done. And now we just have to sit back and wait and see if people like the job we did, like the house. And I'll keep you informed how that's going to go. But now comes the part about getting back to the garden. I know this has taken me longer than I expected. My sheetrock guy, you know, took a month instead of a week and a half. That threw me off. And sometimes it's, believe it or not, it's hard to find somebody that actually wants to come and do the work, you know. You got something to do, you call people and they don't call you back. But anyway, we finally got it all done. So we will let you know how it comes out. And we got to get back to the garden. My next video will be what happens when you don't take care of your garden, when you don't keep it up. So that'll be the next video. But I'm going to sign off here. One more look at it. Thank you for being patient with me, and we'll try to get that to you. You have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.